Hello everyone and welcome back to our course. In this lecture we'll talk about the few requirements that you'll need to take the course. Number one, you need beginner Python coding skills. If you don't have any Python experience, we've included for you a section called Python Language Basics. This is a prerequisite section. So if you do have coding experience, you can skip that section. HTML or XML experience is not required but would help if you have experience with HTML or XML. But this course is absolutely beginner friendly, so you don't need any experience in web scraping, automation, Python, or HTML. We'll provide everything you need to know. You will need a code editor with Python support. We're going to be using a free online code editor known as Google Colab. So you can research or find Google Colab at colab.research.google.com, and you can immediately start coding on the web, so you won't have to download or install anything. However, you can use a code editor on your computer if you wish, that's fine. It just has to have Python installed. So those are your two options for coding along with us. And that is all that you'll need to take this course. Coming up next, we're going to start either our prerequisite section on Python, or you can jump right into the Beautiful Soup section of this course where we will start web scraping.